Here we have a 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £5,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We do have the LED headlights, we also have the gloss black front grills with the front splitter. We have the full M Performance kit, which includes the side skirts, which you can see running along the bottom. We have the 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and finished in gloss black. Blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find the shark fin antennae. We do also have the eDrive badging as well. If you take a closer look, you can see just there. We have the rear spoiler on the tailgate. Round to the rear you find front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We also have the rear diffuser with the dual exhaust. Press this button just here on the remote and the boot will pop open just like so. Inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space. It goes quite far back. We've got a storage pocket as well on the left hand side. Pull that back closed and then making our way around to the driver's side. Having a look at the interior, you'll find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points. We have the vents for the rear passengers, ambient lighting on the doors. We also have the electric windows and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Again at the front we have the same full leather interior. We do also have the blue stitching, as you can see, running throughout the vehicle. Both front seats are electrically adjustable and they're also both heated. We have again the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights. We do have the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Just take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press your start button and the vehicle will turn on. Got the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. As you can see on the digital dashboard we are free from any warning lights. We do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. We have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And we also have the shortcuts down here, so click onto the media and you find we have the music collection just there. We also have the DAB FM stations. We have the USB and the Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. Go into the main menu. If you go to My Vehicle, onto the settings, you find the lights just here, where you can see we can have all these different colours for the ambient lighting. Moving further down you find we have the climate control. We've got the heated seats on either side and the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Got some storage space inside of here with the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. Can be closed just like so. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so press onto Eco, then you find we have the Eco drive mode. We do also have the Comfort drive mode. We have the Sport drive mode as well, changes the look of the dashboard. Put the car into reverse, you find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park. Got the electric handbrake, auto hold button and a leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel, we're not veering off to the left or the right, we're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now if you like listening to your favourite music playlist or a podcast, then you'll be listening on the premium Harman Kardon sound system in this vehicle. It really does sound great. We've got the multifunctional steering wheel in front of me, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift on the left hand side, and we've got the volume and the paddle shift on the right hand side. If you want to drive this car manually, you can go up and down the gears with the paddle shifts. We've also got the digital dashboard ahead, so that when you change the drive modes on this vehicle, which you do here in the centre, you go from Eco, Pro, Comfort and Sport. It also changes the way the clocks on the dashboard look. We've got the satellite navigation in the centre with all the other functions which you'll have seen on the website. We've got the dual climate control with the air conditioning and the heated rear windows, and we've also got the heated seats which are perfect for those wintry mornings. We've got the nice all black leather seats which are very comfortable, and you probably do 200, 300, 400 miles and still get out feeling pretty fresh. Now I'm just taking a right hand turn into the industrial estate where I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Straight into reverse, you can see we've got the sensors just there. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. If you've got any queries or questions about this vehicle, then do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales. But that's all from me today. Cheers.